Hello all, my name is Andrea Santini and today I will be presenting on the EDIS publication titled Bok Choy, an Asian leafy green vegetable emerging in Florida, written by Hai Liu and Guodong Liu. This publication discusses how and why it would be beneficial to adopt bok choy in Florida as a cash crop. This vegetable crop is good at mobilizing insoluble phosphates from soil. In the Hastings, Florida area, soils have accumulated up to 600 milligrams per kilogram of malic 3 extractable peat, and no peat required for bok choy production. However, potato growers usually need to apply 100 pounds per acre of P2O5 for potato production. Thus, bok choy needs much less pea fertilizer than potato. This pea fertilizer reduction is more sustainable. Bok choy is in the family Brassicaceae, also known as Cruciferae, which is more commonly known as the cabbage family. Other family members include broccoli, kale, cabbage, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. Bok choy's scientific name is Brassica rapa, and in this presentation, we will be discussing the subspecies Chinensis. This is a Chinese variety which people in North America usually call bok choy, though there can be different variations on the spelling in different regions. People in China have several common names for it, including Shanghai Qing and spoon cabbage. But why should we introduce bok choy in Florida? There are several reasons that make bok choy an attractive plant to introduce as a cash crop. The first of these being its high profitability. In the more southern parts of Florida, bok choy can enjoy a year-round growing season, and in more northern parts of Florida, there can be 2 to 3 growing seasons per year. The high yields of bok choy, coupled with its increasing popularity in the States, can lead to high profitability. Further, introducing bok choy will help to diversify crop production in the state. Bok choy can tolerate a wide variety of temperatures, ranging from 27 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, and doing best in 64 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it suitable for Florida climates. Finally, bok choy is rich in minerals and vitamins that can provide health benefits, such as aiding in vision problems due to its high level of vitamin A. This slide lists in detail the nutrient, mineral, and vitamin content of bok choy per 100 grams. The following slides will introduce some of the recommended growing methods based on current research on bok choy. The small seeds of bok choy, as pictured in the top right photo, prefer slightly acidic, sandy soil with a pH between 5.5 and 7.0. The soil should be kept moist as pictured on the bottom photo. Soil should be prepared according to the EDIS publication titled Soil Preparation and Liming for Vegetable Gardens. Some of these practices include turning the ground approximately 3 weeks before planting and adding lime to soil if it is too acidic. For more information on best soil preparation and liming practices, visit the article, which is linked on this slide and the reference slide. When planting, maintain 8 inches in-row spacing and 12 inches of between-row spacing. Bok choy prefers sandy soil that is rich in nutrients. As of right now, there is no UF-IFAS recommendation for fertilizing bok choy. In the meantime, growers should follow the guidelines for other cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli or cabbage. This includes 175 pounds per acre of nitrogen, 120 to 150 pounds per acre of P2O5 or K2O for either low phosphorus or potassium, and 100 pounds per acre of P2O5 or K2O for either medium P or medium K. For more information on this, please consult Chapter 2 of the Vegetable Production Handbook of Florida, which can be found on the link on this slide as well as the reference slide. When growing bok choy, it is important to be on the lookout for diseases and pests that have been observed in this plant. This includes leaf blight, downy mildew, aphids, and cabbage caterpillars. The first step in managing pests and diseases is to strengthen field management. If issues persist, treatments can be applied. Leaf blight and downy mildew are both more likely to occur in the summertime when both temperatures and rainfall are high. These can be controlled by applying chemical fungicides such as Bordeaux mixture and carbendazim. Pests such as aphids and cabbage caterpillars can occur year-round and at any planting stage. These can be controlled by applying chemical pesticides such as trichlorphon or dimethoate 40% EC. Harvesting should be done when the bok choy reaches the 10 to 15 leaf stage. In the late growing stage, the petiole of the bok choy will be larger than its leaves, similar to celery. This usually occurs between 40 to 50 days after seeding. Once 10 to 15 leaves appear, they can be cut from the soil surface. If multiple harvests are desired, growers can harvest the plants at the 10 to 15 leaf stage and leave all smaller plants to continue the growing process. It is crucial to harvest bok choy at the correct time, because if they are left too long, the taste will become bitter. This timing can vary based on climate, soil, and moisture, so growers should not harvest too late past the 10 to 15 leaf stage. If growers want to collect seeds from the plant, they should leave it to grow past the bolting stage until the plant reaches maturity. Freshly harvested bok choy can stay fresh at room temperature for 1 to 2 days or 5+ days when refrigerated. When preparing bok choy to eat, the first step should always be to thoroughly wash the leaves to remove any residual dirt. The leaves can then be chopped up for use. It is common to stir-fry bok choy either on its own or with seasonings such as fresh garlic or chili peppers. It also works well as an ingredient in soups, or it can be boiled as a vegetable in a fire pot or hot pot. This vegetable is very versatile and can be cooked with other strong ingredients such as oyster sauce or bacon to change the flavor. I hope you learned a lot today about bok choy through this presentation. In summary, bok choy has the potential to thrive in Florida as a cash crop due to its high yield, high profitability, increasing popularity, and high nutritional content. It is well acquainted to thrive in Floridian climates, and it is a very versatile ingredient to add to many types of dishes. For more information, please visit the EDIS publication on bok choy and the other publications mentioned in this presentation and on the reference slide. Thank you for joining us today.